Today is Monday and we're a day late. We didn't get done in time. So we took Monday, so we got to push through tomorrow driving to get up in Jackson Hole, Wyoming in time. It's been one of my more challenging projects, to be honest with you. I don't remember a project with this certain kinds of challenges. Time lapse. Today, Will and I are going to assemble the bed. This is actually the very first time that either of us will ever see it complete. We put together, we kind of know the scale of it, but we've never put all the pieces on it at once. So it's exciting. Today's an exciting day. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be rewarding. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, and it's going to be a long day. It's kind of a mix with the industrial bracketry, but then it has this almost soft, feminine styling to it. The big rotate up with all the curves and the waves. But you bring in the barnwood and you bring in that leather, that hand-dyed leather, and all of a sudden it transforms it. It turns into a completely different bed. Good time for us to start making mistakes. Like, the bed is perfect and done and neat and clean. If we start packing it up at 9 o'clock at night, we're gonna dig it up and I'm gonna be hurt.
One more chance for you to throw something at it.
You frame that with barnwood?
Ice cream break?
The new plan, Will.
New plan.
The new plan.
Again.
What time is it? Hold on, let me check.
These are about to be trimmed around the walnut on the headboard, the part that you'll actually see. So I have to slice up these and mill them down. It is crunch time. I think it's close to 9 p.m. And then afterwards, we have to take apart that bed, which at the moment is still all together, package wrap it with bubble wrap, throw it in the trailer, and then Tim and Erica have to drive up to Wyoming. So not a lot of time for screwing around.
We'll call it. The bed is finally done. I hate to say it, but it's bedtime. Time to start the day. Coffee.
Ice cream.
It's packed up and ready to go. We're gonna load the rest of the trailer and hit the road.
Sweet.
Bed wanted to be here and wanted to be what it was, and it held my hand through it all. And I don't know. Here it is. You got a hand up? You're holding this up?
Oh yeah.
Is this gonna fall down if you don't hold it up?
It is.
In this case, this bed made me. I didn't make this bed. That's a strange thing. Got this curtain that comes around, and I have a voice-activated system to motorize it. And I've been struggling and fighting it. It's been driving me crazy, but I'm stubborn. I finally figured out a breakthrough, a way to make it work. Check this out. Alexa, quiet time. Boom! Voice activated curtains. We'll see you guys.